In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically set column width in Google Sheets using the AutoFit feature. This is a handy skill to ensure that your data is presented neatly, whether you're tidying up a personal budget sheet or preparing a professional report. Let's get started. First things first, we need to open up Google Sheets. If you're not already there, navigate to Google Drive or head directly to the Google Sheets app on your device. Once you have Google Sheets open, select the spreadsheet you want to work with or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Now that we have our sheet open, it's time to dive into resizing the columns. The first thing you need to do is click on the header of the column that you want to adjust. This will highlight the entire column, making it ready for the next step. Once the column is selected, move your mouse over to the highlighted column header and perform a right-click. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you're going to look for the Resize Column option. Click on this to proceed to the next step in adjusting your column's width. A dialog box will pop up, giving you a couple of options. You can either enter a specific numerical value for the column width, which gives you precise control over how wide the column is, or you can use the Fit to Data option. The latter is particularly useful if you want your column to automatically resize to fit the widest cell content, ensuring nothing gets cut off. After inputting your desired width or opting for the Auto Fit feature, confirm your choice by clicking OK. This will apply the changes you've made and resize your column accordingly. You should see the column adjust itself immediately, allowing the data to display nicely within the newly set width. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've efficiently adjusted your column in Google Sheets to perfectly suit the data within it. Whether you chose to set a custom width or let Google Sheets auto-fit the column, you now have a cleaner and more visually appealing spreadsheet. These simple steps can really help in maintaining organized and professional-looking spreadsheets without the hassle of manually adjusting each column. It's these little tricks that can save time and enhance productivity, especially if you're frequently dealing with data-heavy sheets. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss out on more easy-to-follow guides like this one. Happy data organizing!